Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, so now we continue to answer question number 4 for paper 4 set 1 November 2020. Okay, so for question 4A, a rectangle measure 8.5 centimeter by 10.7 centimeter, both correct to one decimal place. Calculate the upper bound of perimeter of the rectangle. Okay, so masih ingat ini topik accuracy. Kita belajar form 3 tahun lepas. Okay. So, apa part yang kena take note for accuracy? Okay. Bila dia minta upper bound, perimeter, so kita akan tambah bila add berapa macam mana. So, that's all kita kena ingat lah. Lepas tu benda yang penting untuk accuracy ialah correct to berapa. Okay. Okay, so kat sini lah one decimal place. So, kalau bila one decimal place, dia akan jadi 0.1 lah. 0.1 ni refer kepada one decimal place. Okay, so now you boleh buat number line ni. Kita akan letak for each measurement. Okay, 8.5. Okay, plus 0.1 is 8.6. And then, we divide by 2, get 0.1 divide by 2, and then we get 0.05. So, kita akan ambil 8.55. Okay. That one is upper bound lah. Kalau di lower bound, ni this one 8.45. Sama juga dengan 10.7. So, we take 10.75. We add 0.05. Kalau kata you tak nak buat number line ni pun tak apa. You just tengok je. Correct to berapa, let's say this one 0.1, and then you terus bahagikan 2. Okay, you bahagikan 2, you get 0.05. So kalau dia nak upper bound, you tambah. Kalau dia nak lower bound, you tolak. Okay, so since dia nak perimeter untuk upper bound, and dia nak maksimum untuk perimeter. Bila perimeter maksimum, okay, awak just ni lah, bila addition lah. Bila perimeter maknanya akan ada addition operation saja. Jadi just bila nak upper bound, maksimum kat sini upper bound so kita just ambil upper bound plus upper bound. Okay, so take the upper bound of each side, and then we times by 2 because we want perimeter, and then we add. So the answer is 38.6. Okay. Okay, next question B. ABCDF is a parallelogram and BCDE is a straight line. AF is equal to 12 centimeter, AB is equal to 9 centimeter, and then the angle CFD is equal to 40 degree, and the angle FDE is equal to 80 degree. Calculate the height of the parallelogram. Okay, so kita nak cari height dia kat sini. So kita dah ada angle. And then this one, yang ni kita kena guna trigonometry, okay? Okay, so here we can use trigonometric ratios for sine, okay? We redraw it again, and we get this one is a right angle triangle. So bila right angle triangle, awak boleh guna trigonometric ratio. Kalau dia bukan right angle triangle, dia tak boleh guna tau. Cah dengan toa tu. That one, kalau dia bukan right angle triangle, nak cam right angle triangle ni, when it has 90 degree. Okay, kalau dia bukan right angle triangle, we can use sine rule or cosine rule to find the side or the angle. Okay, so for this one, this is a right angle triangle, so we use sine. So we have sine 80 degree, and then equal to the opposite part, which is the height, over the hypotenuse 9 centimeter, and then we get 8.863 centimeter. Okay, next question is explain why triangle CDF is isosceles. Okay, so from this part, we can say that this part D, the angle at D here is 100. Okay, because given that BCDE is a straight line. Okay, so when it's a straight line means that the angle at D, the total here is 180. So the balance here would be 100. Okay, and then 100 total angle for triangle is 180. So 180 minus 100 minus 40. So the balance, the left one is 40 degree for C, for the angle at C. Okay, since it has same angles at C and F, so means that it has same side for CD and D, F. Okay, so when you have the same side, so CDF is isosceles. So we can answer it. It has two equal angles at 40 degree at F and C. And then put that the angle CDF is 100 degree, leading to angle DCF is 40 degree. Okay, next question. Calculate the area of trapezium ABCF. ABCF. So we have to calculate this part. Okay. So since we have this one 9 centimeter, so this one is 9 centimeter too, since it is an isosceles triangle. Okay, so the balance here, this is parallelogram, so side AF will be equal to the side BD. So 12 divided by 12 minus 9, we get 3. The balance here is 3, so BC is 3. So now we have the two length, 12 and 13. Okay. Okay, so I redraw it again. This trapezium. Okay, so BC AF. Okay, so actually kalau you ambil 9 ni as the height, it is totally wrong because it's not totally full of trapezium. Okay, so you have to add another height here, which is we get it from B1 just now. Okay, we get here just now, and then we put the height is 8.863. Okay, and then times with the both side 3 and 12. Okay, and then we divide by 2, so the answer is 66.47. Okay, so that is question B. So we go to the question C. A, B, C, and D are points on the circle with the center O. The angle ABD is equal to 21 degree and CD is equal to 12 centimeter. Calculate the area of circle. Okay, so ini topik form 3 tahun lepas. Okay, so bila kita ada properties ni, same arc, same arc, as long as it is located at the same arc, so it has equal angle. So this one is 21. So this part also 21. Okay. Okay, so the question asks you calculate the area of the circle. So to find the area, we should know the radius of the circle. Okay, so radius here is OA, OC. Okay, so maknanya kat sini, here, kalau you dapat cari AC, and then you divide by 2, you will get the value for radius. Okay. So there is another properties for the circle. When there is a line, okay, there is a diameter, okay, and then a triangle tadi, kalau ada dalam circle ni, kena pada diameter macam ni, and then salah satu side dia touch pada ujung circle, touch pada ujung circle tu, side circle tu. So, angle dekat sini akan jadi 90 degree. Ini dia punya properties. Mesti the hypotenuse, which is the diameter, okay, and then this triangle, and then akan ada 90 degree. So, bila 90 degree, as I said before, automatically this triangle will be right angle triangle. So, bila right angle triangle, you can solve to find the angle on the side using trigonometric ratio. So from this triangle, we have the angle 21 and then the adjacent side. So adjacent side, and since we want to know the part of hypotenuse, so we use cos. Okay, cos, which is cha. Okay, adjacent over hypotenuse. So we have the adjacent here is 12, and then divide with AC, the hypotenuse of the triangle, and then we get AC is equal to 12.85. Okay, So since AC is the diameter, so we can calculate the radius. We divide by 2 and then we get 6.43 centimeter. Okay, so just substitute into formula area, which is pi r square, and then we get the area of the circle is 129.76. Okay, so that is the answer for C. Okay, so we go to question D. Okay, the diagram shows a square with side length of 8 centimeter and a sector of a circle with a radius 9.5 centimeter and a sector angle x degree. Okay, the perimeter of the square is equal to the perimeter of the sector. Calculate the value of x. Okay, so untuk soalan ni, kita cari dulu perimeter square. So, the perimeter square is 32 centimeter, 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8, or 8 times 4. Okay, since it is equal to the perimeter of sector, so we equate the equation for the perimeter of sector, which is 9.5 plus 9.5. Okay, and then plus the arc length here. Okay, ini ialah arc length, ini arc length. Okay, so untuk soalan ni, saya prefer untuk awak guna formula maths lah. Kalau guna yang simple measure, nanti awak kena tukar pula angle tu daripada radian kepada degree. Okay, so soalan ni dia nak dalam degree. Okay, so formula for arc length, which is angle at the sector, divide with 360 times with 2 pi r. Okay, so equate lah 32 ni tolak 20 dengan this one, dapat 13 here. And then calculate, we get x is equal to 78.4. Okay, so that is question number 4.